geometry students, on this Wednesday the 15th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you had a nice 4-day weekend. I hope for those of you that were involved in competition, I hope the competition went well yesterday. Let's go ahead and jump right into today's announcements. Here's the schedule for this week. Today, homework and notes. Today, or Thursday, homework and notes. And then Friday, your Chapter 8 test, okay? So I really hope you guys are ready for your Chapter 8 test on Friday, okay? Incompletes, we have quite a few. Now, Jimmy, I mentioned quiz by Wednesday, but I probably wasn't thinking that there was no school Monday or Tuesday. I really don't like to make things be due on the very first day back if they're a test or a quiz. So I would like you to take your quiz by tomorrow. If there's a problem with that, and make sure you have a good reason, but if there's a good reason, please let me know, okay? Chapter 7 test corrections must be turned in by Thursday, tomorrow, or it'll be a permanent 0. I did not get those from Jimmy, Elizabeth, Cooper, Peter, or Andy, okay? So remember, if you have an A average, you still got to do test corrections, okay? All right, moving on. If you're in the room on the day of a test or a quiz, no matter how many days you've been absent, you will take it unless you contact me before the class period starts. Now today, we're going to finish the homework from Friday that we started on Friday, okay? And we're going to take notes. Now here's the information again from Friday in case you need it. There's the homework. There's the help video. Now, Miss Carol, I'm not sure where you left off. Hopefully you know that, and just start there and continue on, okay? After you guys have finished watching the homework help video, I then want you to take notes. Now, Miss Carol, I know it's a Wednesday, students. I know I can't have you go home and finish the notes video, okay? I'm very respectful to the rule. No Wednesday night homework. So, Miss Carol, if there isn't any time left to take notes, that's fine. Just let me know so I can plan tomorrow. If you do start the notes, please let me know how far you get into the video so I can plan tomorrow, okay? Even if there's only 5 minutes left in class, Miss Carol, go ahead and start the notes video because it's only 17 minutes long. So if we can get some of that started, that would be great, okay? Now, the video today, after you've, sorry, that's called your voice cracking. The video today, after you've done your homework, is about Pythagorean's theorem. Now, in the past, I have already expected you guys to know this information, but I still wanted to cover this topic just to make sure everyone knows this. Also, we're going to do a really cool proof of Pythagorean's theorem. Actually, all math is really cool, but this is really, really cool. And that's another reason I want to spend some time going over this material today. So there's your teaching video, only about 17, 18 minutes long, okay? Now, here are the A averages for this week. Ethan, Lachlan, Abigail, Andy, and George. So congratulations to those guys, all right? Now, let's talk about the Honor Society trip coming up the 8th to the 10th. It's about a month away, but I want you guys to know, if you go on that trip, you're responsible for what you miss. So please make sure when you get home, when you get home, you get caught up on that material, okay? Very important. Now, Abigail, Brianna, Haley, and Andrew. Okay, listen to everyone. Listen, okay, guys. I've had more problems this year, not just in this class, but other classes too. I've had more problems this year than in the past with students losing tests on their test corrections. Now, here's the problem with that. If you lose your tests, I don't know which problems you're supposed to redo or which fill in the blanks you're supposed to rewrite. I'm sure you guys you're smart students. You understand that, okay? So, having said that, here's what I've chosen to do, all right? I'm going to allow you to lose your test one time, okay? So I have a list here at the bottom of my incomplete list, and it says right here, these students here, let's see. These students here were given credit even though they lost their test. And there's these 4 students, okay? So I'm going to allow each of you one time per year to lose your test and still get credit. So you 4 have used your mulligan, I guess we'll call it. Now, if you find your test and you can turn it in today or tomorrow, that's fine, okay? But that's it because I don't keep your test corrections. So if you turn your test in a week from now, I really can't check to see if you did the right problems, okay? So you guys have used your grace. So next time, if any of you four lose your test, you're going to have to redo every problem on the test and every fill in the blank unless you just want to take a 0 on your homework, which is not a bad idea because I do drop your lowest homework every 9 weeks, okay? So that's more than fair. I'm giving everyone in the class one time to lose their test and still be given a 100 on the homework. Okay, fair enough. All right, that's all for today, students. Please get to work on your homework and notes. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.